My name is Adrienne Sander. I'm the General Manager at Milbank Manufacturing, and I've been here since 2019. In my role, I get to work with a lot of teams. For instance, our inside sales team, customer service, technical services, and quotes. I also get to work with our new product development team, from implementation to product launches. One of the other teams I'm lucky to work with is our sales analytics team. After college with a mechanical engineering degree, I found myself working a variety of inside sales positions in the electrical industry. An opportunity came up for me to migrate from inside to outside. I jumped on that opportunity. Starting with a sales position at Milbank has allowed me to evolve into several other opportunities, some of which that I'm privileged to say is I get to work with our manufacturing and engineering teams. Being in the electrical industry, you're introduced to a lot of manufacturers out there. Milbank quickly hit my radar. For one, the family-owned aspect really resonated for me, as that's a value that I carry at home as well.